In front of me I have got DJI RS 3. In this video I'll show you how to connect controller to your gimbal. In the beginning, let's go to Ronin app. Make sure that your controller is connected with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Next, go to Create and go to Gaming Controller. Here you can change speed of pan, tilt and roll, and smoothness. Then you can enable or disable gaming controller trigger zoom focus. And right here you've got the legend how to use your controller as gimbal. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.